My dad used to make this dish. And basically, it is an Italian chicken dish. So you take a whole chicken, you cut it up, you throw potatoes, whatever vegetables you have on hand. As you can see, I had broccoli and I had some regular tomato and some zucchini and some onion, and you put lots of garlic and Italian seasoning on there. Then what you do is you drizzle olive oil all over the top of it. Make sure everything has a good soaking of olive oil, because we're going to be roasting everything up nicely. Then you take a can of crushed tomatoes and you pour it on the top. Now, if you didn't have a can of crushed tomatoes, you could also use whole tomatoes. And so that it comes out looking like this. We're going to put some salt and pepper on the top of this, and we are going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour. We'll be back to show you the final product.